Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to match numbers and letters in an array. So first of all I'm going to create a subroutine called simply array. And I'm going to call it my at random stuff, and I'm going to use QW quoted words to make it quicker. So I'm just going to type in some random stuff in here, and Joe, these are basically names, UK, country, and Perl. Okay, that will do. Just some random words and a random number. Okay, I'm going to search through that, so I'm going to do it using a for each loop. So for each, I'm going to create an iterator here, call it item. And we're going to iterate through random stuff. Now we're going to use the conditional statement if. So we're going to evaluate stuff. So if item, it's gone through, that's iterated through here, it's gone through Dave, 78, Joe, UK, Perl. If the item, and we're going to do the matcher here. If the item matches, do the regex here. So the first one is going to be D plus, which is a number, and it's going to be like a double number, so like 78. So if I just did D, that would just match single numbers. Okay, and then I'm going to use the pipe here, which is like OR, and then I'm going to do this here, A to, I'm just going to do A to B, so that's going to be A to B lowercase, and I'm going to do another pipe, or, and then I'm going to do an A to Z uppercase match, and I'm going to escape it like that. So that's what we're matching. So we're matching numbers. Here we're matching lowercase letters A to B, and we're going to match uppercase A to Z letters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print, let's say, scalar item slash new line. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I want an uppercase here, so I'm going to do Dave with a capital D. Let's just save it. Let's just run it, array. So let's run that. Okay, so it's matched an uppercase, which is D, and it's also matched a number. Let's just do that again. Let's see if we can get another match for an uppercase. There we go, we've got another match for an uppercase. So, just a short program. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.